95% of people use ChatGPT just like a Google search, asking simple questions and, well, getting pretty mediocre results. Meanwhile, the other 5% use specific prompting techniques that make AI honestly 10 times more powerful. Today I'm sharing the 7 prompts that transformed how I work, and you can copy them word for word. Most people ask ChatGPT, write me an email or help me with this project. These vague prompts, well, they get vague results. Professional AI users understand that the prompt is everything. The right prompt structure can make ChatGPT perform like a £100 per hour consultant. You see, it's the structure of your prompt that really unlocks ChatGPT's full potential. With the right approach, you can get results that are precise, creative, and frankly, far beyond what most people ever see. So rather than just asking ChatGPT to write something, try this. Assign it a specific role with expertise. This simple change can make a big difference in the results you get. All right, let's look at an example. A bad prompt might be, write a marketing email. But a much better prompt would be, act as a direct response copywriter with 10 years experience in B2B SaaS. Write a follow-up email for prospects who downloaded our pricing guide but haven't booked a demo. Use the PAS or Problem Agitate Solution framework and keep it under 150 words. The difference here is pretty clear, isn't it? One gives you a generic email, while the other delivers professional copy that actually converts. And you should never ask AI to work in a vacuum. Always feed it context, constraints, and your desired outcomes. That's how you'll get the best results. Right, so here's a straightforward template you can use. Context, your situation. Goal, what you want to achieve. Constraints, limitations or requirements. Format, how you want the output, tone or communication style. For example, you might say, context, I'm pitching a productivity app to busy executives. Goal, create a 2-minute pitch that addresses their main pain points. Constraints must include ROI data and social proof. Format, bullet points with transition phrases. Tone, confident but not pushy. Don't accept first drafts. Use this structure to refine output systematically. Step 1. Get initial output. Step 2. Analyze this content and identify the 3 biggest weaknesses. Step 3. Rewrite this, addressing those weaknesses while maintaining specific requirements. Step 4. Now make it more persuasive, concise, or engaging. This process honestly turns good AI output into exceptional content that rivals human experts. When you're facing complex decisions, it's important to, get multiple viewpoints. So here's a useful template. Analyze your situation or decision from 3 perspectives. First, a risk-averse conservative approach. Second, a growth-focused aggressive approach. And third, a balanced pragmatic approach. For each perspective, you want to provide reasoning, potential outcomes, and recommended actions. I use this for business decisions, hiring choices, and strategic planning. Honestly, it's a bit like having 3 advisors, each with different expertise. This method is, well, just perfect for tackling complex projects or when you're learning new skills. So here's a really useful template. Break down a complex task into a detailed step-by-step process. For each step, you should include firstly the specific actions to take, then the resources or tools you'll need, followed by the success criteria, any common mistakes to avoid, and finally, the estimated time required. Now, for example, let's say you're launching a LinkedIn content strategy for B2B leads. Break that down into a detailed step-by-step process, just like we described. Honestly, this output rivals even those expensive consulting frameworks. Use AI to check its own work and, improve quality. After getting any output from AI, use this prompt. Review this content as if you were a relevant expert role. Identify factual errors, logical inconsistencies, areas for improvement, and missing elements that would make this more effective. Then ask the AI to rewrite, incorporating your feedback while maintaining the original intent and requirements. This, honestly, is a simple but powerful way to raise the quality of your results. Build reusable systems for recurring tasks. It saves time, reduces errors, and, well, it really helps you scale your efforts. Here's a handy template. Create a reusable template for a recurring task. Include 1. Standard structure or format. 2. Variable fields I can customize. 3. Decision points with options. 4. A quality checklist. And 5. An example of a completed template. I've used this approach to create templates for client proposals, meeting agendas, project briefs, and content planning. Honestly, it makes a huge difference. These 7 prompts transformed my AI productivity from getting just basic answers to getting professional-grade work. The key, really, is being specific about the role, context, format, and desired outcome. I put all these prompt templates in a free document linked below. Try them this week and comment which one gave you the best results. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI productivity secrets that actually work.